morning, distinguished judges, lecturers, and fellow participants. Today, our team is honored to present our innovation titled Smart Safety at Your Fingertips, a Power BI-driven dashboard for PPE decision support. This project was developed by our dedicated members under the leadership of TS Dr. Adnan Bakri and Madam Rahima Kasim, together with Muhammad Aiman Arif, Dr. Munif Faris Al Mabruk, and myself, Muhammad Adam Dennis. We proudly represent the University Kuala Lumpur, Malaysian Institute of Industrial Technology, which is Unicel MyTech. In chemical plant, hundreds of hazardous substances and handled every single day. Each substance is accompanied by a material safety data sheet or MSDS, which contains crucial safety information such as hazard classification, PP requirement, first aid guidance, and emergency response protocol. The MSDS plays a critical role in hazard communication, but the real challenge is not the lack of information. It's assessing it quickly and clearly during urgent situation. Typically, it contains around 15 important sections, including hazard classification, first aid guidance, PP requirement, and emergency response protocol. For example, a worker might need to know immediately what type of glove, mask, or protective clothing are required for a specific chemical. Currently, most safety data is stored in PDF, printed binder, or static internet system. Retrieving data from these sources is slow, time-consuming, and error-prone. In emergency, a few second delay can be critical. Incorrect PP installation due to unclear or hard to access data increase the risk of chemical exposure and workplace injury. While digital transformation has revolutionized industry like business and healthcare, its application and occupational safety remain very limited. Many safety systems still rely on static documentation instead of interactive digital tools. This highlights a clear research gap. There is a need to transform traditional MSDS data into dynamic visual and interactive decision support system. To address this challenge, we developed the Smart Shift Power BI-driven dashboard or PPBIDD. This innovation turns international MSDS document into an interactive, mobile-ready, and real-time PPE guidance. The key features include visual PPE icon and hazard severity color code, search filters, and direct link between each chemical and each PPE hazard class and emergency measure. This research was conducted over 24 months, divided into three main phases: data accession and structuring, converting MSDS for information into centralized digital database, data dashboard development and mobile integration, designing the Power BI dashboard and ensuring mobile accessibility, pilot testing and validation, which carried out with 30 chemical and plant personnel. When using conventional MSDS document, the average retrieval time was 20 seconds, often with large variation. With Power BI dashboard, the retrieval time dropped by approximately 20 seconds. This improvement translates into faster decision-making and reduced error rates in PPE selection. User feedback was overwhelmingly positive. Participants found the dashboard easy to use, visually clear, and highly effective in supporting PPE decision. This project represents the first known application of Microsoft Power BI in occupational safety management. Traditional Power BI is a business analytic tool. In our project, we propose it for safety intelligence. By visualizing complex MSDS data, we create a real-time interactive decision support tool that transforms safety documentation into actionable intelligence. In conclusion, Smart Safety at Your Fingertips or Power BI-driven dashboard provides a new practical approach to safety data management, which our system improve PPE compliance, reduce safety data retrieval time, and enhance workplace safety and decision accuracy. For future, we plan to expand this innovation to multiple system integrated with IoT sensor for real-time hazard monitoring. This will make safety intelligence even more protective and predictive. Our vision in capture is our tagline: from data to protection, safety remains with Power BI. We believe this innovation marks a new step in digital safety transformation, empowering workers with instant data-driven protection at their fingertips. So thank you for your attention.